Looking for a powerful and reliable DeWalt Impact Wrench? In this video, I'll break down 5 best models, covering key specifications, torque performance, and standout features. Whether you need something compact or heavy-duty, this guide will help you find the right tool for the job. Stick around to the end for my top recommendation. Kicking off the list is the DeWalt DCF899M1 20V Max XR, a true heavyweight when it comes to high torque performance. It delivers up to 700 foot-pounds of max fastening torque and an impressive 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Plenty of power to loosen even the most rusted fasteners. What makes this model stand out is its brushless motor running on DeWalt's 20V Max platform. That means better efficiency, longer tool life, and more runtime per charge. With up to 2,400 impacts per minute, it's built to handle tough jobs with ease. It comes as a full kit. You're getting the DCF899 tool, a 4 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, a fast charger, and a sturdy tool bag. At around 7.2 pounds, it's not the lightest wrench out there, but the C-shaped head design helps with balance during use. Next up is the DeWalt DCF900B, and if you're looking for raw power in a compact form, this one hits the mark. This model is part of DeWalt's XR line, and it pushes out a whopping 1,400 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 1,030 foot-pounds of fastening torque. It's 4-speed settings, giving you much better control depending on the job at hand, from precision fastening to full-on heavy-duty removal. Also, it maintains a compact footprint at just 8.43 inches long and weighs around 6.4 pounds bare. It uses a half-inch hog ring anvil, which makes socket changes quicker and more convenient on the job. Number 3. DeWalt DCF900P1 20V Max half-inch impact wrench. If you're looking for a complete high-torque solution straight out of the box, the DeWalt DCF900P1 might just be the one to go for. It's offering up to 1,400 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 1,030 foot-pounds of fastening torque. But with a big bonus, it comes as a full kit. Right in the package, you get the impact wrench, a 5 ampere-hour 20V max lithium-ion battery, a DCB115 charger, and a rugged kit bag. With a brushless motor, 4-speed settings, and 2,200 impacts per minute, this model is all about versatility and serious muscle. Coming in at number 4 is the DeWalt DCF894HB Impact Wrench, a great option if you want power in a lightweight mid-range form. It delivers up to 330 foot-pounds of fastening torque, which is more than enough for most automotive and construction jobs. It only weighs about 3.45 pounds, making it extremely comfortable to handle for long periods. This model uses a half-inch hog ring anvil for fast socket changes, and like many DeWalt tools, it runs on the 20V Max battery system, though keep in mind, the battery and charger are sold separately. Finally, I've got the DeWalt DWMT70773L, a half-inch pneumatic impact wrench designed for those who prefer air tools over battery power. With 650 foot-pounds of max torque and a high-speed 7,500 RPM motor, it's built to handle serious fastening and loosening tasks in a shop or garage environment. It features a fixed square head, forward and reverse switch, and weighs just 4.6 pounds, offering a nice balance between power and maneuverability. At 10.8 inches in length, it gives you a bit of extra reach too. Thanks for watching. Those were my top 5 picks for DeWalt Impact Wrenches. Each offers solid performance, great torque, and trusted build quality. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tool reviews. Also, check the description below for links to the products I covered.